Here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T8, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select apps right here, and then go to all apps. And if you really want to remove all the settings for your apps, just tap on the more icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner, and then select reset app preferences. And if you truly want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset. And that's it. It just has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.